Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to help you through how to reset your NameCheap account's password when you've forgotten the password and can't seem to remember it at all. So in order to fix the problem, go to your web browser and go to www.namecheap.com and enter. Doing this will take you to the official website of NameCheap, which looks like this. Now, from the upper left toolbar, click on the Sign In button and enter your username for your NameCheap account. Now, after you enter your username, click on Forgot Your Password since we don't remember the password, which will take you to a Reset Password page. You'll need to enter your username, simply enter it on the field, or you can simply enter your email address as well. Click on I know my email address and enter your email address. After you're done, click on Reset Password. Now you'll receive an email to the email address you just entered. Go to your email address and check the mail in order to reset your password. Open the mail and click on this link that has been sent to you. A next tab will open where you can enter a new password for your account. Click on the field at the right side and enter the new password you are trying to change to. Confirm the password by retyping it again. After the passwords match, click on Change Password and you have successfully reset your password. Now, in order to log in, click on this link right here, log in. Go back to your login page and enter your username first. Now, enter the password and make sure to enter the password that you just changed to. And click on Sign In and continue. The last thing you'll need to do is go check your email address and verify yourself first. You can do so by clicking on the email and you'll be sent a verification code. Simply copy the code and go back to your NameCheap page, paste the code and click on Submit. With this, you've verified your account as well. That is how you can reset your password whenever you have forgotten your password and are stuck in the sign-in process and don't know what to do next. This is the right solution for you. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.